Hello friends and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So Java developers ever wondered how to break a sentence into words or split characters from a string? It's time to turn that string into an array like magic. Whether you are building a chat app, processing user input or just slicing up text, converting a string to an array is a must-have Java skill. From using dot split to slicing characters with two char array, we will explore how to go from one long string to a powerful usable array, which is fast, easy and super useful. You will use this trick again and again in real world Java projects, and I hope it will be helping you soon with more other things as well. So I hope you will be enjoying this amazing video in which we will be learning that how to convert a string to an array. So if you enjoyed this amazing video and if you understand this amazing tutorial, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, want to see more videos like this, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my videos which I will be uploading in future. So now what we are waiting for, let's move to computer screen and let's dive into it. Alright, so now we're on the computer screen, and like I've told you in the start that today in this video we will be understanding that how we can convert a string to an array. We have understood that how we can add array elements together and get the output. Now we need to understand that how we can convert a string to an array. So to convert a string to an array, we need to just see what it is saying me. So it is saying me like there are many ways to convert a string to an array. The simplest way is to use the two-char array method. So it is saying me that there are many methods which you can use to convert a string to an array, but the simplest method, or you can say the simplest way, is to use this method here, which is two-char array. So how to use this method? Just see this example in which we are getting convert a string to a character array. So we are converting a string to a character array, means we are converting into array, but it is the type of character array. So that's the way how we convert a string to a character array, by using this two character array here, and this is the method which we are using to convert this string to a character array. So we are using two character array, and then we are making this parenthesis here so that we can convert this string to a character array. After doing it, when you will be just printing this thing by using my array, means our string name is my array here. If I just show you, first of all it was like my str, then when we have converted a string to a character array, we have given our variable name as my array, and then when we will be printing this my array with the number 0, we will be getting the output printed as hello, and it will be converted string to a character array. Then moving down, if you want to loop through the array to print all array elements together, you can just use this example in which we are creating a string, then we are converting that string to a character array. After converting the string to a character array, we are printing array elements. How we are printing array elements? By using this for loop, because we are looping through character array, and that's the way how we print all array elements while converting string to a character array or any other type array which you want to convert. In this example, I'm converting a string to a character array. You can normally convert a string into normal array as well, or any other type of array which you want to, but I am using this character array because it is the simplest way to convert a string to an array. But there are some other method as well which I will be telling you in coming up videos, because if I told you every method in this video, you will be having a confusion. So that's the reason I'm only going with one method, that how we can convert a string to an array. Moving on, I will be just opening my NetBeans IDE here. And as you know, when we were just working with Java, we were just using NetBeans IDE because I think this is the best IDE for beginners and for Java developers if they want to learn Java from start. And I'm saying that because it has all the features and all the things which a beginner or an advanced level Java programmer needed. But if you have good internet speed, your internet works good, you have good device, so you can use online IDs as well, like Rapid or any other IDE like Jupyter. And in offline you can use Eclipse, because I think after NetBeans, Eclipse is best IDE because it is totally made for Java. You have all the things for Java as you need it. You can use newer version as well, you can use older version as well, but you need to install that versions manually. And if you don't want to do that things, if you don't want to install packages, libraries or versions manually, then you can use online IDs in which you just need to import packages, you just need to select version and you can just work with that. But if you want to learn Java from Scratch. So for that I will prefer you to download an offline ID in which you will be having a good understanding that how we can install packages, how we install Java versions, how we work with Java, how we run Java files, how we write the command of Java to run the file. So that all things will be really, you can say, interesting for you. That's the reason I will prefer you to use offline ID if you want to learn Java from scratch. Moving on to this NetBeans ID, you will be just getting this start page. You just need to close it because we will be not using this start page moving forward, because just start page tells you how you can create Java files or how you can use Java, that all. But we already know that things because now we are on the advanced level tutorial of Java, so we don't need to understand that all. So moving forward, you will be getting one project created. If you don't get a project created, you can just go to file, you can create new project here. After creating new project, you need to create a Java file as well, in which you will be writing all the Java codes to create a thing which you want to create. So I have already created a project and I have also created a Java file which I have given the name as main. You can give any name to your file, but remember the name you are giving to your file will be same as when you are creating the class. Here I can see here you can just see that when I'm creating a class, I'm writing class as main. Why I'm writing class as main? Because my Java file name is as main. So remember, your class name should be same as your Java file name is. As my file name is main.java, so I'm giving same class name here as well as class main. Then I'm creating a main method. You can give any name to your method. In this case, I'm creating a main method and I'm writing all the codes as we want to create. Like in the previous video, we were just adding all the array elements together, and I hope you understood that how we can add array elements together and get the different output. So in this video, we will be understanding other thing about Java, that how we can convert a string to an array. So this is the way, and this is the example in which we are normally converting a string into character array. You can convert a string into normal array as well by just removing this character, and you can use toArray method to convert the array, which is another method to convert a string to an array. So moving down here, you can just see I will be just pressing tab so that I can get all the things perfectly here and I can get my code clean, because I just do not need to show you how you can run this. I also need to show you that how we can make our code clean. That's the way. You just need to take care about all the things which you are writing as it should be in one line. As you can just see, when I'm writing all the things, comment and the codes, I'm giving all the things in one line so that my code should be looking clean enough here. Moving forward here, I will be running this main.java file, and to run this file, you can just press shortcut key to run it. But if you don't want to run it with shortcut key, you can directly move on to main.java file, and you just need to press right click, run your file. After running this file, if I show you, you can just see the output we are getting is h. Why we are getting is h? Because now this string is converting, means this tag of 2-character array, or this method of 2-character array is converting this string to an array. And as you know, array only print first value of the word, so that's the reason it is printing me h, because in hello the first letter is h. That's the reason we are getting h printed in the output, and that's the way how you can convert a string into character array. Moving forward, there are some other methods as well which I have used here, like how you can loop through the array to print all array elements. Means this is not the second method to convert a string to an array. We are using same method here as well, but is in this example, when we are converting a string to an array, we are printing array elements as well. And for printing all the array elements, we are just using for loop. You can just see, and in for loop we are writing characters so that we can print all array elements here. So this is the example. I will be just simply copying this example here, and then moving forward to my NetBeans ID, I will be commenting out these things, because now we have understood that if we want to convert a string to an array, normally how we can convert it and how we can print the first element of the array here. So I will be just printing again, sorry, I'll be pasting that things again, and then I will be making my code clean. Like I will be taking all the things in one line so that my code should be looking clean enough, as we have done previously as well. So I will be just making it again in one line. Same goes to here as well. But remember, when you are doing it with for loop, you just need to understood that thing, that you are getting one indentation here after this curly braces. So you just need to press backspace and press enter so that you can get again same indentation, because if you don't get the indentation from here, you will be getting an error. So that's the reason you need to press backspace, take it at top, and again press enter so that you can again get the indentation of for loop as we normally get. So here I will be running this file again, and now this time the output we will be getting will be as hello printed. But this time, why we are getting hello printed? Hello is printed, but it is not in one line, it is in different line. Like if I show you, H is in one line, E is another line, and double L is another line, and then O is another line. Why we are getting all the things like this? Because we are using for loop, and when we use for loop to print array elements together, so we get the output like this. If you normally print a string, you will be getting this hello printed, but we are converting this string to a character array, and after converting it into a character array, we are printing all array elements using this for loop. And when we print all array elements here using for loop, so you will be getting all the elements in different line, as we have seen this thing in Python as well. So you can just say that for loop and for each loop and all the other loop which we normally use are similar to Python, as we are working with Java. So Java and Python, you can say, are different languages, but for loop or loops which we normally use in both languages are totally same, as I have shown you in the example as well. And I hope you understood how we are doing it and how we are getting different output printed. So I hope you understood that how we can just print array elements together, how we can convert a string to an array or a character array, and you can normally convert a string into normal array as well if you want to do that. So if you have understood this video, and if you understand how we can convert an array or how convert a string to an array, so remember to hit a like to this video. And if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like this, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can get the notifications of all my videos which I will be uploading in future. So just I will be meeting you next tutorial or in next project using Java. So for today, goodbye.